Everyone, Dave Cook with the Franco Painting and Wallpaper. There's Daniel and Chad are working, doing a couple of videos on this. Because one thing that we've seen in the house is where the windows aren't exactly level. So it kind of came across on that window. It's not too bad because there's a drop on that window about not just over 3/8 of an inch. So you can kind of, if you look really hard, you can see a little bit where the grout, it drops a little bit on this side. But the one that's worse, that you'll see more, is right there. So measuring this window, that's 5 inches there, it's 5.5 inches there. So we got a 1/2 inch drop, which we can't really do anything about. It's just the way the trim is. Window might not be level. I don't know what's not level, but all I know is it's not straight. So that'll be one thing. As sometimes we catch them, sometimes we don't. In this case, I didn't really catch it. But you're putting a pattern on that's got a vertical and horizontal, so you're definitely going to see where this goes up compared to other patterns. So just something to keep in mind, and you're putting stuff in your home, just ways that you can try and minimize it with the pattern you're using, or if that's not a big deal for you, then pick whatever pattern you're looking for. But things to look for: windows that are not level, doors or door frames that are not level. If you got a vertical line, you're definitely going to see it. But little things to think about when you're considering patterns for your home or business. Got questions about your wallpaper installation? Give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.